Topic 30. My favorite hobby. My favorite hobby is reading books because it is enjoyable, relaxing, and very useful. I started reading books when I was young, and now it has become one of my favorite activities. Reading helps me learn new things and use my free time wisely. I usually read books in the evening after I finish my homework. Sometimes I also read on weekends when I have more free time. I like sitting in a quiet place with a good book because it helps me feel calm and focused. There are many kinds of books that I enjoy reading. I like storybooks, educational books, and simple English books. Storybooks are interesting because they take me to different places and teach me lessons through characters. Educational books help me gain knowledge about the world. English books help me improve my vocabulary and grammar. Reading books gives me many benefits. First, it improves my language skills. I learn new words, better sentence structure, and how to express ideas clearly. Second, reading improves my imagination. When I read stories, I imagine the people, places, and events in my mind. Third, it helps me relax and forget stress. Sometimes I share interesting stories with my friends or family. We talk about what we learned, and this makes reading even more enjoyable. I also feel happy when I finish a good book. In the future, I want to read more books and learn more every year. I believe books are valuable friends because they always teach us something useful. My favorite hobby is simple, but it gives me knowledge, peace, and happiness. That is why reading books will always be an important part of my life.